Okay, so I've got my first row. It's just a little sample. I've got 12 stitches here. My first row of double crochet, so I'm just going to show you how to do the treble crochet cross stitches. So as the pattern suggests, you chain 3. There we go, and turn the work. So what you're going to do is this first chain here counts as a double crochet. So you're just looking at the stitches above the double crochets from the line beneath. So you're going to skip that first stitch and you're going to go into this second one here, into here. So you yarn over twice and you're going to go into that second one, yarn over and pull up a loop. Then you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So now we're going to go back into this skipped stitch here, but we're going to go behind this treble crochet. So again, yarn over twice, and then you're going to go behind, so behind here, and then you're going to go forward so that you're going into this skipped stitch the correct way. So we'll turn so you can see there, into that stitch, and then you're just going to complete a treble crochet as you normally would. So yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And so there you have your first cross treble crochet stitch. And then you're just going to keep repeating that all the way across. So again, you're going to skip this next one and you're going to go into this stitch here. So we're going to yarn over twice, go into the skipped stitch, into the skip a stitch, go into the next one, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then we're going to do the same again, go into the skipped stitch just here, this one here. So yarn over twice, then you're going to go behind that stitch and into the skipped stitch there. Pull up a loop. So we've just gone into that stitch underneath there, just there. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then you've got your second cross there. So we'll skip the next one, go into the next one, yarn over twice, into that stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over twice, and then we're going to go into this skipped stitch here, go behind that treble crochet into the skipped stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and you can see now that those X's are forming. And like I say, just keep going all the way across there. It can be difficult at first, going behind it and making sure that you are, you know, pulling up the loop still behind it. And sometimes it can be hard to find that skipped one. You want to make sure that you're not going into this stitch here that has this first one in, but that you're going into that skipped stitch there behind the treble crochet and into that stitch just there. And when you pull up your loop, make sure you don't catch this treble crochet in front, go through the gap still, and then yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over twice into that one there, yarn over twice behind that into the gap, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. There we go. And then in your last stitch you should be left with 1 stitch. Once you've done your last one, in that stitch you're just going to do a double crochet, so it's yarn over just once into that last stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and there you have your first row. So if you remember, your chain 3 counted as a double crochet, and there you've ended with a double crochet. Then for your next row you're going to chain 3, and it's just double crochets across the entire row, but we're not going to go into this stitch here. We're going to skip that one just as we did at the beginning of the last row. We're just going to go into the stitches above the treble crochets here, and it's just double crochets across the row. And then at the end of the row here, because your chain 3 counted as a stitch, that does mean that your last stitch is into the chain 3, into the top of the chain 3. Make sure that you don't skip that one, because at that point, if you skip them, you will start losing stitches. So as you can see here, you've got your 2 into the stitches from your treble crochets beneath, and then you need to get your last one into the chain. Oops. And it's just a double crochet, just like the rest of the row. And so there is just the first 3 rows, and the rest of the pattern just repeats as written in the pattern until the amount of rows that your size needs. But that is how you do the treble cross stitch for this pattern. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to give me a message on Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, or through my direct email that you can find on the bottom of the pattern.